Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the age chance feature on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. At the upper side of the screen you can find the first option, the edit photo, and new you can select a picture from your gallery. Tap to the age chance feature at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can find different features, for example the abandoned or the outgrown, and this will take 5 minutes, and the age chance generate automatically your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.